complete questions po. Complete answers po yung
Sentences po. So, magkikwento lang talaga. So, what's your name? What do you do for a living?
Hi, I'm Coach Tams Gabuelo, and I'm a full-time badminton coach for Team WWGBA Philippines.
So, we heard that your whole family is into the sport, and we also heard that you competed in the Palarong Pambansa yourself. So, could you tell us about that? What were your experiences?
Actually, I was 15 when badminton was introduced to me, and first na sinabi ng dad ko to me is before is my first sport is volleyball. Since it's a team game, parang sobra kasi akong competitive. So he introduced me to badminton because he's playing badminton. And first niya sinabi sa akin, Tams, I'm a Palarong Pambansa champion. So from then, my dad was my coach, my mentor. It took me 4 months for a religious training with him. Then, he prepared me for Palarong Pambansa. Actually, yung Palarong Pambansa was a stepping stone for my career. Lahat kasi na players from province, kasi we're from Iloilo City. Tapos we just transferred in Manila. Lahat na players talaga pangarap to make it to the Palarong Pambansa. Kasi for us, to be a champion sa Palarong Pambansa, parang ikaw na talaga ang pinaka-best sa Pilipinas. So, it took me 4 months religious training with my dad. And after that, with prayers and of course, maganda ang naging experience ko sa training kasi with my daddy, hindi ako napagalitan kasi obedient ako. Pag nananalo ako, or pag after the training na perfect ko yung tinuro niya, meron akong ice cream sa kanya. Magandang relationship namin ng dad ko until now. So yung experience ko sa Palarong Pambansa was an eye-opener, and actually, yun yung talaga nagbigay sa akin ng break para makilala as a badminton player. 2000, yun yung year na I represented Western Visayas for Palarong Pambansa, and I was given the opportunity to lead the Out of Sportsmanship sa event na yun together with Onyok Velasco that time. So, and doble-dobleng blessing, and I also got the singles and mixed doubles championship for Palarong Pambansa.
So, from there, aside from you said it was a great experience, how did it teach you? How was it a stepping stone? What did it teach you? What did you take from the...
Actually, yung after yung championship ko sa Palarong Pambansa, bintana ang nabukas. Kasi I have these offers from schools for college. I have also offers for tournament abroad na, like for example, like yung tournament pala namin that time was sa Fort Gosen in Japan, na because of my championship sa Palarong Pambansa, ako yung pinasok nila for Gosen tournament. Sa mga schools naman, kasi galing ako probinsya, nung nanalo ko Palarong Pambansa, alos lahat ng mga UAAP schools nag-offer din sa akin. But of course, kasi lumaki ako sa province, and with my grandmother, I decided to continue my college sa Iloilo City. So after that, I compete for Western Visayas again.
School, academy was established by your dad. So, how do you fit into the picture?
Okay. During my college years kasi, I was given also a scholarship from Ateneo de Manila. So I competed for Ateneo. Then after mga 4 years, then kami ng dad ko talaga, passion talaga namin na magturo ng badminton. So we decided to come up with actually a small group lang first, like a group of 4 players. Then dun na nakita namin na our program is effective. Then yung 4 players namin yan, they won all the tournaments. Umuwi silang may libreng sapatos, may libreng bag, may mga loot bags. So doon namin nakita, ang saya pala pag na paramdam mo sa player yung magiging champion din, like us. Kasi sa experiences namin ni Daddy as an athlete, Kami dalawa fighter, we never give up. Lahat ng mga challenges yan sa life and even sa tournament, seryoso namin hinaharap yan. So, we put up this academy from 16 players. After a year, naging 24 players. Hanggang ngayon, we have as much as like 200 players in the academy, active members and also adults.
You mentioned that your dad was your coach and you had a good relationship. How is it training with your father? Diba? Iba naman yung relationship.
Oh.
Ano dynamic?
Actually, yung training style ni Daddy and coaching style, nakakopy ko. Kinakopy ko yan actually. Pero plus, nagdadagdag din ako ng a touch of me, mga signatures namin. So, malaking tulong, of course. Kasi kami, we always talk to our players instead na ipahiya mo siya sa harap, papagalitan mo sa harap. We always believe that pag kinakausap mo yung tao, yung player mo ng masinsinan, mas maganda ang magiging effect nun sa bata. And we are more on, we edify them. We give them moral support every tournament, every game, or even during the training na lang. So, malaking tulong talaga ang nagkaroon ako ng very understanding dad and a very understanding coach.
What is your goal for badminton and for your academy?
Okay, for 6 years na kami and counting. So, madami kami actually plans si Daddy, but we're taking things one at a time. So yung goal namin is we wanted to see our players in the World Badminton Arena. Actually, our vision always, we pursue, because of our passion, we wanted to come up with best players from the Philippines. Kahit hindi naman manggaling sa amin na academy, we will support that player. Kung magaling man sa academy namin, we would be thankful. Kasi syempre, pinaghirapan niya namin ng dad. So, about the academy, very innovative kami ni Daddy. Madami lagi kaming plans for WWGBA. And since nakapangalan sa amin dalawa, we give our more than 100% dedication and time to come up with the best players sa local and international scene.
Okay, so last na lang po. What are your goals for those children in the academy that are going to be playing for the Philippines?
Okay. First muna kinakausap namin yung mga bata. Yung reset namin yung sinabi sa kanila, just give their 100% best. Every time kasi na sinasalang mo sila sa tournament, we always tell our players that that is your time to shine. So that very moment, you give your best shot in every game para when you get the championship, everyone will look up to you.
Alright, thank you po. Ikaw,
May dagdag akong dalawang questions. Okay lang? Yung first question ko po is, can you talk about si Sarah po at si Tantan?
Okay.
wait lang. Question ka na muna. So, balik tayo para naman.
Aray, wala na ako ng feeling. Aray, wala na. Hindi ko na maramdaman yung leg ko. Shit.
Sige, go.
Totoo.
Akin na.
O yung spots mo. Siyempre.
Ayan, sir.
Naka-on ba to? Sorry.
Press mo yung red.
Sabi niya, wait. Okay.
Sir, can you describe po yung dalawang...
Okay, first, sandali mo. Actually, 3 players kami. Gusto mo si Sarah muna tanungin mo. Ano ba? Huwag na.
Kahit silang...
Okay.
Ano po yung tatlo for palaro this year from your
Okay. Yes. Actually, we have 5 players, 3 from NCR and 2 from Southern Tagalog. So, this is our 6th year na meron kaming palarong pambansa entry. And palarong pambansa is always our gauge na our players are improving. So for Sarah naman, this is not her first year. Ika-third year na to ni Sarah Barredo. So when she started with us, 8 under pa lang si Sarah. And naalaga namin yung record niya plus yung mga tournaments na sinasalihan niya. And we are expecting a championship this time for her. Another championship for her. For Jonathan Velasco, for Tantan, it's his first year. Actually, tinatago namin si Tantan for palarong pambansa this year kasi we have 2 players, Kian Gabuelo and Boris Sumagat. who played for Palarong Pambansa 3 times also prior to Tantan. And this time we got again yung boys singles. Kaya sabi namin lagi kay Tantan, ito na yung pag-antay mo, Tantan, na you waited for this because of your patience. Now you're representing NCR this time. So merong disiplina din sa mga bata. And lastly, for Amy Sumabat, high school, she won also for elementary and high school event. Amy is a consistent Palarong Pambansa player. Kaya yung goal for Amy talaga, she would get the championship for doubles.
Or the kids naman po feeling ngayon regarding sa palaro?
Excited silang lahat. Last na training ko with them was last Saturday. They played against me, singles. Then if we won the game, they'll get this ice halo-halo from Chowking. Prize nila. And lahat sila nakakuha. Kaya I know these guys, hindi lang naman halo-halo ang makukuha nila. Gold medal for Palarong Pambansa, of course.
Tapos yung last question ko po, sir, ano po? Di ba parang yung football ngayon nag-rise in popularity. What do you think will it take for badminton to have that surge that will popularity?
Okay, badminton is perfect for Asians. Okay, wala siyang sinasabing matangkad ka dapat o maliit ka. It's perfect for Filipinos because who dominates the World Badminton Arena are also Asians. So, para mabalik natin yan, we have events, we have programs para mabalik, reintroduce badminton to the public again. Maybe give us another 2 years with a new management ng Philippine Badminton Association, new president. We have this 100%. We trust them that they will ibalik nila ulit yung badminton nung 2003. Ang hirap mag Tagalog.